Welcome to the Furious Vibe, your hub for exciting automotive innovations. Today, we're checking out the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome Camper van, a compact yet feature-packed travel companion built for adventure. Suzuki has designed this camper van to be both practical and efficient. Its sleek, aerodynamic body improves fuel economy, while the compact size makes it easy to maneuver through city streets and rugged terrains alike. Despite its small footprint, the interior is optimized for maximum comfort, making it an excellent choice for road trips and off-grid living. Inside, the van features a smart, space-saving layout. The seating area easily converts into a comfortable bed, providing a cozy sleeping space. A compact kitchenette includes a sink, induction cooktop, and mini fridge, perfect for preparing meals on the go. Clever storage solutions, like overhead compartments and underseat drawers, keep everything organized without taking up extra space. A standout feature of this camper van is its self-sufficient technology. Solar panels provide renewable power, reducing dependence on external charging. The infotainment system includes navigation, smartphone connectivity, and a touchscreen control panel for adjusting lighting, climate, and battery levels. Optional Wi-Fi and satellite connectivity keep you connected no matter where you travel. Performance-wise, Suzuki equips this camper van with a fuel-efficient hybrid engine, delivering a balance of power and eco-friendliness. Its all-wheel drive system and advanced suspension ensure a smooth ride on any terrain. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system add confidence and security on the road. The 2026 Suzuki Motorhome Camper van is built for travelers who crave freedom without sacrificing convenience. Whether it's a weekend escape or a full-time van-like journey, this compact yet capable vehicle is ready to hit the road. What do you think? Would you take it on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content from the Furious Vibe.